When we first started the channel, all we had to film on was our phone. Shortly afterward, we got a small phone tripod that was flexible enough to put in different locations. Today we're filming pasta salad, and this is what things look like behind the scenes. You can see we're slightly off camera. We have things set up for the next shot. And then our camera is focused right on the pot. We have that on a tripod. We try to hide the boxes and audio equipment and keep everything out and ready so we can move from scene to scene. When the camera equipment isn't in use, we hide it in this drawer. Thankfully, the tripod can be folded up to fit. For the channel, it's important to keep everything as organized as possible. So we have these nice bamboo separators that make things easy to get to. We also keep a well-stocked and organized spice cabinet. And this is where the magic happens. Every Monday I edit the video and the audio and try to get things polished for you guys to view. Thank you for helping us reach 600 subscribers.